Alright, hello folks. Daniel Johnson here today. I'm in my kitchen today. This is a replication of Abrams lab setup. In his video he did where he had his tower with no primary. I believe is how he had it, to another tower that had the primary, but the base connection was left undone. So like on this setup here, this tower, let me take this out of here. This tower here is straight here, okay? The paper is just to delete the background. Don't mind the notes. And the bottom of this, of the secondary there, the bottom here is still, just unattached. See that? But the primary is attached to this circuit, which I reuse this thing here as a little circuit board. It's a PNP transistor. The numbers on it are I believe it's an A1011, I believe they are. I can't see it in the shadow, but all I got on here is a 22K resistor. It's just a basic PNP setup on a heatsink. Okay, but the base connection goes to this tower. Okay, see here. Sorry guys, I'm really unprepared. This is kind of just weird to me. The blue connection here is the base connection from my transistor, from the base pin to the base of the secondary. Okay, there's the connection there. But there's no primary on it. I've seen Abrams do it, and I was like, weird. That's pretty weird. The title was correct. It is weirdness. But here it is. Working. Here, I'll shut this light off here for a second. Maybe I can prop you guys up somewhere. Get another coil. That might work. Yeah, that ought to do. Alright, here, check it out. And see, if you adjust the primary, on this coil here, it does adjust it on this tower, and vice versa. Even distance from here, to here, distance in the towers. Even guys, I've noticed difference in output from the distance of your circuit to your coil, your main tower. Now I'm using clip leads right now, which I don't like doing because in my opinion, the less wire, the better off you are. And play around with the distances in your coils. If you got a tuning coil, play around with that. Move your circuit around. Put it on a board where you can actually move it away. I got stuck taping them to my bench. Just a quick setup. But I did this, and I noticed that as I moved it around, distance-wise from my coil to my circuit, I got different outputs. So, all in the research, guys. I really appreciate everyone putting out videos, like Abrams and, everyone else. There's certain guys I'm not going to mention that think they know what they're doing. They'll be able to sell you a coil, but not show you, how they're getting different results and whatnot. Simple PNP transistor, no LED, no diodes, no capacitors, no ground connection even. Okay, I'm not connected to earth ground at all anywhere yet. This is the basic flare exciter setup, and that's weird. There's a little weirdness. But I saw Abrams do this, and I thought I'd just try and repeat it. Shout out to Abrams and everybody else. I'm just trying to get in the game, basically, and let everybody know that this is new age science. It's a smart system. You can put your tube light here, up to your top wire here straight. And this tube light calls for only so much. And then, take an LED. Put it up to your top wire there, and it doesn't blow it. It's like a smart system. It's really cool. And as Gerard Morin would put it, they're virgin electrons. So thanks, guys.